Decomposing Day 2, sometimes known as horizontal addition. Grab your notebook or your whiteboard and let's get some thinking done. All right, as we do these today, make sure you're pushing pause, doing the work, and then pushing play to check your answer. Again, we are doing horizontal. The reason it's called horizontal is you will notice the equations are written horizontally. It's as easy as that. Remember, the goal for horizontal is to put your tens with your tens, your ones with your ones. And that's all we do. It's exactly like expanded, only we don't have to do all that writing. We don't have to write 40 plus 7 and 10 plus 5. So it's faster and more efficient. This is exactly what we say, and it's exactly what we think, but we don't have to write it all. So 40 plus 10 is 50. Do you see how we just said that? 7 plus 5 equals 12. If you still need to write that as a 10 plus 2, go for it. 50 plus 10 is 60, plus 2 equals 62. Great job. All right, check this one out and then come back when you've got it solved. 28 plus 15. Remember, put your tens with your tens. So 20 plus 10 equals 30. 8 plus 5 equals 13. 30 plus 10 equals 40. Plus 3 equals 43. I'm sure you're all loving this strategy because it's fast and efficient. And again, we call it horizontal because we write it horizontally, or they call it decomposing because we're doing each part of the equation. First, we're doing the tens, and then we're doing the ones. So 10 plus 30 equals 40. 8 plus 5 equals 13. 40 plus 10 equals 50. Plus 3 equals 53. Nice job. Okay, push pause and work this one out. Put your tens with your tens. 60 plus 20 equals 80. 3 plus 9 equals 12. 80 plus 10 equals 90. Plus 2 equals 92. Great job. All right, 55 plus 13. So 50 plus 10 equals 60. 5 plus 3 equals 8. So 68. Notice if would have been really good, which is hard to notice on horizontal, we would have noticed it was no strategy needed. But again, that's harder to see on horizontal because your numbers aren't lined up. Tens with your tens. 30 plus 10 equals 40. 7 plus 8 equals 15. 40 plus 10 equals 50. Plus 5 equals 55. Keep practicing your decomposition or your horizontal because we are going to get into some good stuff with 3-digit numbers and numbers over 100. Great job today.